Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapang na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, eto na tunghayan at bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me any information pa. Okay, so this is the Queen of Cups. Now, there's something emotional healing, guys. There's something maturity na pagdating sa emosyon, hindi ka na basta-basta nagpapadala ng iyong tensyon. No? Kumbaga, there's something warm and of course loving and very sensitive person. There's something that that's our moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago na malaking bagay na magbabago sa buhay mo ngayon. No? There's something chaos or destruction or sudden feeble trauma. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na mayroong bagay dito na maaaring nagiging kalmado ka na, hindi ka na basta-basta nagiging aggressive, no? Kasi parang ayaw mo na basta-basta nasisira ang isang situation o isang bagay. Natatakot ka na or nagkaroon ka na parang nadala ka na, no? Sa nangyari sa'yo from the past na hindi mo akalaing nabago, no? Na iba pala, no? Kapag yung may galit or something na namumutangi dyan sa loob mo na during that time kailangan pag-iisipan mo muna yung bawat action na gagawin mo. And there's a child ka with an action and movement, no? Kumbaga, there's something and victory is yours. Maraming mga obstacles, no? And of course, maraming mga sacrifices. Pero it's very natural. There is something the word card represent with the trouble. Na some of you guys magkakaroon ka ng trouble, success, achievement, accomplishment, no? So, there's a lot of fulfillment. So, there's something page of your intuition na maraming papasok sa iyo sa intuitions mo, sa vibrations mo, sa iyong ideas, no? And there is something severance, no? There is something healing, peace, patience. So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng kapayapaan at kalayaan sa mga bagay na iniisip mo. Kailangan mo alisin yung negative thoughts. Kasi isa yan sa nagiging balakid. Kaya, parang nakakapag-create ka ng negative outcome. Now, that because of this negative eksena, negative thoughts. So, kailangan lagi mong pakakatandaan, maging kalmado, iwasan yung pagiging agresibo, no? Marunong kumalma. What is the Queen of Cups? Represent what? There is something, the Star card for healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. No? Magkakaroon ka na ng healing, hope, miracle, and fulfillment. What is something, the Tower moment? Represent what? There's a Knight of Swords. So, see, there's something, anxieties, overthinking, paranoid, no? Isa nga to sa nakakasira ng iyong buhay o sarili mo or relasyon ay yung very overthinking, no? Tamang hinala, paranoid, takot, no? Nagkakaroon kasi ng takot at pangamba hanggang sa mag-trigger siya, hanggang sa mapunta siya sa pagiging aggressive. What is the chart? Represent what? Represent with the Six of Pentacles. So this is something balance. Kailangan mo maging balance dito, guys. Emotional, physical, mental, even sa finances, you need to take an action, no? Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. Kailangan mong kumita, no? Huwag kang bumabase sa isang bagay na darating. What is the word card? Represent with the Nine of Wands for slowly but surely. So sinasabi dito, maging mahinakon, huwag padalos-dalos. Na unti-unti lang yan, very, gawin mong passion yung ginagawa mo or gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, no? Kailangan masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. And this is something, the Seven of Swords, with a sneakiness, cheating lie on you, no? Maraming taong, kumbaga, feeling mo kasi niloloko ka, feeling mo tinatrader ka, maraming ganyan papasok sa utak mo. Kaya kailangan na mag-pay attention ka. No, what is the temperance? Reference with a magician, manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na mamamanifest. No? Parang pinapaalalahanan ka lang dito na marunong kang kumalma. Laking factor sa eksena mo na to is kalma. No? Nagiging aggressive ka. No? Kumbaga, nagiging impatient ka. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and the Star card. Reference with the Ace of Pentacles, with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking opportunity papasok sa'yo. No? At may pag-asa dito na magkaroon ka ng, kumbaga, emotional freedom, no? Kumbaga, mawala yung stress mo, mawala yung worries mo pagdating sa finances. What is the Tower moment? Of course, the Nine of Swords. So, this is a judgment. A wake-up call. Parang pinapaalalahanan ka na iwasan mong mag-overthink. Iwasan mong tamang hinala. No, ganon. What is the Chariot card? Of course, the Six of Pentacles. Reference with the Ten of Cups, with the happiness. Magiging masaya ka. No, basta sinasabi dito maging balanse ka. No, there's something support and guidance, no, with your loved ones. So, sinasabi dito, hindi naman, kumbaga, hindi masama, no, na proteksyonan, pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo at yung love life mo. Pero ang masama dito yung pagiging obsession mo. Now, let's see what is the word card, because the Knight of Wands. Referencing with the Knight of Swords. There's a success driven. Now, unti-unti ka na magiging matagumpay. Now, there's something, a big changes coming in for you. Especially pagdating sa mental activity. Now, pagdating sa pag-iisip, pagdating sa mga plano, kumbaga unti-unti lang, himay-himay lang, no? Kalma-kalma lang. There's a refuge of concerns, the Seven of Swords, referencing with the King of Wands, ambition. Now, marami kasi pumapasok by your intuition and vision. Ibig sabihin, malaking factor sa isip to, no? Na nakakapag-create ng mga negativities na akala mo, yung mga tao sa paligid mo niloloko ka, tinatrader ka, ganon. It's a negative, guys. Or toxic attitudes. So, kailangan mong pakawalan yan. There's a temperance across the magician, represent what? Kailangan nyo guys ng cleansing ha. Very negative to. And there's a Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon sa sabotage that because of your action. Dahil sa mga ugali, kilos, attitudes, ganyan. And this is something that's so pentacle with your keep yourself balanced. So, kailangan mo maging balance eh. No? And there's something, the Justice card. No? Kumbaga, there's something karma and balance. No? Kumbaga, kung hindi mo ayusin yung pag-uugali mo, there's something legal matter. No? May parang makakantong ka sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. There's something consequences. Lagi mo pakakatandaan kung ano yung cause and effect sa bawat action mo. Additional messages for finances and career. So, there's a devil card, no? Pagdating sa finances mo, minamalas ka. There's a devil card with a negative energy na ang tagal-tagal. There's an 8 of Wands for something slow communication or slow transactions, no? Ang bagal ng pasok ng pera sa'yo. And there's a Two of Swords, there's an indecision, no? Nahihirapan ka magdesisyon, nakakaranas ka ng delays, no? And postpone, no? Ganon. So, let's see, additional messages, guys. May umaharang talaga, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng problema pagdating sa, see? There's a lot of negativities around you. Negative thoughts, isolations, no? You're very entrapment, ganon. Additional messages pagdating sa love life. So, this is something, Six of Cups. No, there's something, a partnership. There's a returning to the roots. Ibig sabihin dito, there's something, a past person coming back. May taong babalik from the past. And there's the King of Pentacles with a security. Maging secure ka sa kung naman yung mga bagay na meron ka, even sa finances. Maging mature ka, no? How to manage your money wisely, guys. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa health. Sa health mo naman, there's a high find for a lesson learned. Matuto ka na, no? Sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. No, there's something values talaga. No, mayroon talagang attitude values dito. And there's something, the King of Swords. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa iyo. There's something very, guys, possessive. Iwasan nyo. What is additional messages with a magical fairy messages represent what? There is a be yourself. Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo, no? Hindi ikaw yan eh. And there is something winter. The answer you need is coming. What is kaya mainitan ng ulo mo? Kasi, kumbaga, mabagal ang pasok ng pera sa'yo, puro problema. There's a lot of, kumbaga, complications. What is the yin and yang oracle card? Referencing with the detachment with the coldness. No, meron ditong, kumbaga, parang ang lamig-lamig o ang ilap-ilap sa'yo ng swerte. And this is something revert. Na magkakaroon ka ng revert dito, don't you worry, guys. So, kumbaga, there's something changes. Kailangan nyo lang magkaroon ng cleansing, guys. No, para ma-cleanse lahat ng mga negative and toxic, no? Even sa black magic and volt. And there's an action. You need to take an action para magkaroon ng new beginning dito. And there's a rejection loss, no? Kumbaga kung hindi, unti-unti mawawala sa ilang mga bagay na meron ka. Gusto nito mabenta mo lahat na meron ka. What is the synchronicities messages? What? There's a raven. See me, aswang talaga. Meron talagang uwak, it means aswang, mangkukulam, ganyan. And there's a roots, no? May ugat talaga ng eksena, may pinanggagalingan. And there's a protecting love, no? Some of you, pinaproteksyonan mo yung pag-ibig mo. And there's just something summer. Ngayon, summer season, masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. Let's see what is the romance ages for Mystic Love Oracle deck. For Mystic Love Oracle deck, there's a karmic relationship. See, toxicities. I told you. No, sa relasyon mo nyo, may toxic talaga. And there's something intimacy. Don't you worry, magkakaroon ka ng intimacy. No, and this is something home foundation. No, maaring kumbaga babaguhin dito yung pundasyon, maaring magiging maganda na ang inyong pagsasama. Or nasa isang karmic relationship kayo na punong-puno na ng komplikasyon na kailangan mo ng solusyonan to na para makawala ka dito. Kasi ang karmic relationship kasi, guys, puno ng komplikasyon, yung punong-puno ng problema. Kasi bakit? Kasi may gumagawa sa inyo ng hindi maganda. Kasi yan isa sa halimbawa na para subukin ang inyong pagsasama. No, sa lahat ng aspeto yan, dala-dala niya ng karmic relationship, even sa finances. Para magkaroon ng something obstacle failure, no, a lot of complications, ganyan. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And this is your life purpose. Ito talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. Na para malaman mo, maproteksyon at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. This is your life purpose as guarded and protected. So, kailangan mo proteksyon at pangalagaan mo yung, kung naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. And, new beginning and fresh start is here. So, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, panibagong eksena. What is additional messages with the name Spirit? And there's a fear. Labanan mo takot at pangamba mo. And there's a judgment. This is a wake-up call. Parang pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. And this is something freedom. Huwag kang mag-alala. Makakalaya ka sa bangungot ng sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo. What is the angel's answer? Represent what? For the angel's answer, represent with the meditation, bring answers. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate, magdasal, humingi ng gabay, and this situation will improve, no? At ang sitwasyon mo unti-unti na magbabago. And this is something trust. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating Panginoon, sa ating mga gabay. For additional messages with an angel spirit, guys, let's see. And there's the 7 star sister with the 7 archangels. No, there's something of recreations. No, lahat ng mga bagay na to ay sasadaan, no, para buuin ka, no, para hubugin ka. Kaya dapat marunong kang tanggapin yung mga bagay na ibinagkakaloob sa'yo. And this is something the earth pulsing with time in the nature. So, kailangan mong, kumbaga, magdahan-dahan, no? Huminahon, no? Kailangan mong pakiramdaman kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid mo. What is the chakra messages? Represent what? Instinct. Tama ka ng intuitions. Tama ka ng gut feeling, no? There's something service. Some of you, public servant or services yung trabaho mo, craft, and there's an abundance. So, magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan, makinig ka sa intuitions mo. No, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan, umiiwas ka sa mga bisyo, sa mga luho. What is the romance angels represent what? Romance angels represent with the getting to know each other. So, kilalanin niyo isa't isa. No? If you are being single, if you are being dating, no? And even sa relationship, kahit committed ka na, kailangan kilalanin yung isa't isa. And there's something, environment, na talaga na sa paligid yun, very toxic. And there's an enlightenment, magliliwanag sa lahat ng mga bagay na malabo para sa'yo. What is Archangel Raphael messages? And there's a yes. No, Archangel Raphael na sinasabi na, oo, no, kailangan mong, kumbaga, gamutin, humilong, no, kung ano man yung mga bagay o sugat na na yan, kailangan mo magtiwala. And there's a laughter is the best medicine. So, kailangan mong libangin, maging masaya kahit paano, no? Para ma-relieve yung stress mo na nagbibigay ng worries sa'yo and fear. And there's something counseling. Kailangan mo makinig sa something advices ng ating mga angel spirit. And there's an infinite abundance. Kasaganahan talaga ang nakaghihintay para sa'yo. What is the Monsology represent what? A time to give rather than take. Na mas maganda ikaw yung nagbibigay oras panahon kaysa ikaw yung humihingi. And it's time to live the unhealthy, it's time to release negativity. No, ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para makawala ka na sa negativity. No, I told you, di ba, punong-puno ka ng negative and toxicities. What is the energy represent what? Yin and yang, so kailangan mo maging balanse. No, there's an envy, pride and ego. Di ba? And there's a door to value. Malaking pera sa lapi ang papasok sa'yo. Matuto ka maging balanse, guys. The more na naghahata ka ng negative, magiging negative ang outcome. Matuto kang, kumbaga, i-disregard, parang sinasabi na parang matuto kang i-reject, no? Yung negative na pumapasok sa isip mo. And if you have a faith as a grain of mustard seeds, you shall say unto this mountain, remove hence to the yonder place, and shall be removed. So see, kung naniniwala ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo, kung ito ay makakabuti sa'yo, itong bagay na magbibigay ng pagyabong at pag-unlad mo, kung mag-i-stay ka dyan, kung itong bagay na ito ay magiging hadlang sa pag-unlad mo, aalisin ka dyan ng ating Panginoon. What is an angel's number? Represent what? An angel's number represent 8884 a karma. May 888, it means pera. Karma. No, there's something, a lot of money is coming your way. Fortune refers to more just monetary and material success. If you don't appreciate the people in your life now, you won't have them tomorrow. This message encourages you to take personal responsibilities and use it to realize your greatest potential, no? Kaya mong baguhin yung ikot ng kapalaran mo. Kaya mong baguhin ang sitwasyon mo. Maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Maniwala ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo ay magre-reflect sa'yo. Kaya kailangan maging masipag, maging maingat, maging mabusisi, at maging pahalagahan, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na meron ka. Tandaan mo, what goes around comes around. Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect sa'yo. And there is a 2112, it's up to you. Nasa sa'yo yan, no? Someone's watching over you. Good fortune and unforeseen forces, no? Even it seems like you're not making any meaningful progress, these are moving in the right direction. If you see this number, it's signs that everything will work out in your favor and your dreams will come true soon. So see, kumbaga magpatuloy ka lamang daw. So ibig sabihin, kung akala mo walang nangyayari sa ginagawa mo, kung akala mo walang nakakakita sa ginagawa mo, pakakatandaan mo lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ay maaaring pumabor ayon sa kagustuhan mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. Represent what? A messages of life represent a messages of life represent with love appears. I re-announce my pain, I release my resistance. Today I choose to reside in the light of my being. I rise above boldly and ask for understanding that will free me of my duality. My prayers are heard and God sends angelic help so that love and peace find their way to me when I open my eyes. Love appears. So see, mahalin mo yung bawat eksena kaganapan sa buhay mo. Lahat ng sakit, paghihirap, sakripisyo, tandaan mo, the more na minamahal mo yan, kumbaga, papahalagahan mo yan, the more na mababago ang ikot ng kapalaran para sa'yo. Kasi sa bawat eksena, marunong ka magpahalaga ng bawat simple at bawat sentimo or bawat maliliit na bagay ay kaya mong palakihin, kaya mong pahalagahan. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kanino energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!